What is home? According to the dictionary, home is a place of one's residence.
I'm never gonna know what it feels like to be normal.
While that's true, it's a bit too simple.
And I've been going up on the stars in the nighttime. I came back.
For me, home holds a deeper meaning. Home could be a feeling, a person, family, or a place. It is what we can call comfortable and what feels familiar. From the campfire talks, crazy parties, wholesome moments, traveling around the world and making friends. Especially due to the last year traveling to Paris, Bali, Fuerteventura, Istanbul and many more places, I can proudly say that home is so much more than just a place of one's residence. It is how we define and shape the world around us, thus making anyone or anywhere feel like a place where we belong. Looking back the past months, I am especially proud of the home I created physically, but also within myself. A home ready to introduce the next chapter of my life. Welcoming those who stick around and those who join along the way. Here we are, 6 months after the first episode was released. I am beyond proud and grateful for how it turned out, for how everything's looking, with all the little details in between, with the world map here, with the beautiful kitchen, living room, and every little detail that is in here that is fitting to my vision, to my dreams, of how I imagined how it will turn out. And compared to before, this is a huge upgrade from a apartment that barely had roofs that were working, that were not coming down. The roofs were an absolute mess and had to be swapped out for something cleaner, something white that gives the whole apartment, the whole rooms more space, more light, and it just creates an open atmosphere which I'm really proud of having, really comfortable with. I could learn a lot on this journey, a lot from my parents, from my father especially, who helped organizing, building and creating everything that you can see here, and I am really thankful for his help, for his work. And for me this was a special opportunity to learn, to grow, and to see how everything works, how cable get connected, how I can connect sockets, lamps and so on, everything, electricity, how the walls are done, how the floor is laid, parts which I've already done before, but I could now refine in this apartment and learn a lot of new things, which is a great opportunity overall. And I'm also excited where this will head now, where I will go with this apartment. As probably some people may recognize or may know, this is only the first part, because what do we have? A kitchen, dining room, a living room mainly, and bathroom is missing, bedroom is missing, and what we're also working on next will be the terrace for the outside part behind the winter garden or in front of the winter garden. And I'm excited of what's coming. Probably this will come out then again at the end of the year, just like the first season, and in between that there's a lot planned. I won't spoil it just now, and I'm just excited for this next chapter. Really proud how this turned out, ready to go on, take new doors, new chapters, new opportunities, and I'll see you in the next videos.
I need to get home. I need to get